Welcome to part 3, the final part of the fish. The fish is completely done, and I guess I'll get a spoon and take a taste test of it.
Oh yes, that's done. It's squishers. I put my
It's
finger
completely done, and so there it is. Hey. It's delicious, and thanks for watching. And as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. And this is July 23rd, 2022. And it's how to make tilapia, the final part. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye, everybody. And that recipe is my mom's recipe. And that's her fish. And thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.